Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your BMW X6. This is the F16 version of the X6 from BMW. And this key has got a really easy to replace internal battery. And this is for model years 2014 to present if you don't have the newer display key. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to press on the long side here, this button right at the top. That'll release the valet key. And then once you've got that released, right at the top near where the valet key hole is, there's a small little indentation. It's about the good size for the kind of a small Phillips screwdriver, or you can actually use the key itself and get a little leverage. And what that allows you to do is pop off this back. Pop this out and slide it out a little bit, and this gives you access to the internal 2032 CR2032 battery, 3 volt, that we'll need to replace. So if this has died, go ahead and pop this thing out. Again, this is a CR2032 battery. Pop in a new one. Just kind of place the bottom part first. Make sure the positive side with the lettering etched on the battery is facing towards you. Go ahead and replace this back here, and make sure and replace this, kind of place in this bottom part first that has the 2 prongs here. Make it a lot easier to pop in the top here. Put that back in. Put your valet key back in, and boom, you've replaced the battery on your X6 for the F16 model, 2014 to present. And again, the battery that you need is the CR2032.